Running a CNC machining shop in 2025, you've got precision machines, skilled hands, and years of experience in fabrication. But if you're like most shop owners, you're asking yourself the same question: where are the clients? You've built capabilities, you've fulfilled orders, maybe even invested in a website or passed out business cards at trade shows, but jobs are still inconsistent. One month you're swamped, the next, radio silence. Sound familiar? Let's be real. In 2025, success in CNC machining isn't just about precision. It's about visibility, speed, and automation. Today, I'll show you exactly how modern CNC shops are filling their calendars with consistent orders, without cold outreach and without relying on outdated marketing strategies. Let's get into it. Most CNC shop owners still depend on word of mouth, referrals, or hoping someone fills out the contact form on their website. But here's the problem. Prospects visit your website. They click around. There's no clear next step, no quote form, no instant response. So what do? They hit the back button and move on to a competitor. Every time that happens, you're losing potential clients and revenue, not because your work isn't good, but because your booking and sales process is broken. Now, imagine this. A buyer from a small manufacturing firm needs custom aluminum parts machined. They find your link on Google or LinkedIn. They land on your automated quote page built with a clean offer, form, and examples of past work. They fill out their requirements. Within seconds, they get an email or text confirmation saying, "Thanks, your request has been received. We'll follow up shortly." Behind the scenes, you or your team get the job specs. It's added to your sales pipeline, and a rep can jump in to finalize the order, all while you're working on the floor, not stuck in admin tasks. This is the difference between guessing and scaling. Here's something most shop owners don't realize. Your regular website is not built to convert leads. It's passive. It just sits there. You need something active, something that funnels the right visitors into buyers. Funnels are built to showcase your offer, capture job specs, qualify leads, schedule consultations, and send automated replies. They're like your 24/7 digital salesperson. This is where funnelfreedom.io comes in. This platform isn't a general website builder. It's made for service-based businesses, including high-skilled technical services like CNC machining. With Funnel Freedom, you can build a high-converting funnel in under an hour, automatically reply to quote requests via email or SMS, showcase your machining capabilities, past projects, tolerances, and file upload options, book appointments or consultations on autopilot, track and manage every lead through one dashboard. It works even if you're not a tech person. It works even if you're a team of one. And it works while you're doing what you do best, making parts. Let me tell you about a 3-person CNC shop in Oregon. They were doing solid work, but growth stalled. They had no real lead system, just a contact page and a hope that someone might fill it out. We helped them build a funnel that showed off 3 main service categories, collected files and specs directly, auto-responded to every quote with pricing guidance, and booked discovery calls with leads who are ready to move forward. Within 60 days, they went from 4 to 5 leads per month to 21 qualified inquiries per month, all while keeping their overhead low. No SEO agency, no expensive CRM, just one simple funnel and a system that works. Here's the good news. You don't need a whole new website. You don't need to hire a marketing team. You don't need to learn coding or funnels yourself. Just go to funnelfreedom.io and start with one solid offer. It could be custom aluminum part prototyping, 3-day turnaround, or precision CNC for small batch production. Request a quote now. Add a simple form, automate the reply, link your calendar, boom, you're in business. Once that's running, you can add Facebook retargeting, Google Ads, or LinkedIn outreach to drive even more traffic into the system. Here's the bottom line. If your CNC shop is still relying on referrals and contact forms, you're missing out. People want fast responses, simple quoting, and professional systems. Funnel Freedom gives you the exact tool to turn visitors into clients while you stay focused on production, not paperwork. So go to funnelfreedom.io and start building your first funnel today. And if this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe for more strategies on how technical service businesses can grow smarter in 2025. Until next time, run your shop like a pro and let automation handle the rest.